U.S. fighter jets augment NATO Air Police in the Black Sea region. 7 U.S. Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon jets were used to assist the alliance's airspace police Bulgaria in and around the Black Sea region.
Гледаме да завиеме.
The multi-role fighters, based at Aviano Air Base in Italy, flew training and patrol missions alongside Bulgarian Air Force MiG-29 Fulcrum fighter jets in early fall 2020. As the pilots got to know each other and their country's operating procedures, they enhanced their ability to keep the region's skies safe as part of NATO's enhanced air policing mission. Pilots and aircrews practiced social distancing inside and outside air bases in accordance with COVID-19 prevention measures. Allied warplanes first deployed to Bulgaria in 2016 when the U.S. Air Force sent F-15 Eagle fighters to Grof Ignatievo Air Base near Plovdiv. In 2017, the Italian Air Force deployed a Eurofighter to fly alongside Bulgarian MiGs. Footage includes shots of Bulgarian and U.S. fighters preparing for the mission, taking off and returning to the air base, GoPro shots of a mixed fighter air police formation from previous air police missions, as well as interviews with Bulgarian and U.S. pilots.
Четвърта година сме част от мисията на НАТО Air Policing. Като част от тази мисия аз съм много горд, че и в момента сме напълно способни да пазим суверенитета на българското въздушно пространство, както и това на нашите съюзници. В близко бъдеще българските военновъздушни сили ще има възможност да оперират с F-16 Block 70, което ще даде необходимите инструменти на едно ново поколение по-млади пилоти да прилагат научените, модерни и по-ефикасни тактики. Съвместната работа с нашите колеги от Съединените американски щати допринесе за повишаване на оперативната съвместимост, надгради нашите умения като пилоти и ни даде знания, които ще приложим в експлоатацията на F-16 Block 70 за в бъдеще.
We have 7 jets here, so we have jet setting alert for QRA, getting taskings from KAC to our home. Then we have other jets here executing training missions with our allies from Romania, Greece, Canada, and Bulgaria. It's been great. It's good to fly with different countries' pilots. It's great to fly with MiG-29s and F-16s, and it's just the experience for all our pilots to get to do that.
That's all the info from us. Thank you.